Discovering four-dimensional bodywork, a whole person approach to healing. What is four-dimensional bodywork, or 4DIM as it's referred to? Okay, let's talk about something that's not just another massage or energy healing session. It's 4DIM bodywork, and it's the kind of healing that makes you go, wow, where has this been all my life? If you've ever felt like your body is holding on to something, whether that's tension, stress, old emotions, weird aches that don't go away, but you can't quite put your finger on it, then you're going to love this. So let's dive into what 4DIM bodywork is, where it comes from, and why more and more people are turning to it for deep, lasting transformation. So, what exactly is 4DIM bodywork? 4DIM bodywork, short for four-dimensional bodywork, is a beautiful blend of hands-on therapy, emotional release, energy healing, and intuitive guidance all rolled into one deeply nurturing experience. The idea behind it is simple but powerful. We are multidimensional beings. We're not just physical bodies walking around. We also carry emotions, thought patterns, and energetic imprints, and all of those layers affect how we feel every single day. So instead of focusing on, say, tight shoulders or a sore back, 4DIM bodywork looks at the whole picture. It wants to know what's going on physically, what emotions are hiding under the surface, what thought loops are running in the background, and how's your energy field doing. By gently working across all four dimensions, physical, emotional, mental, and energetic, this approach helps release tension on every level. So a little bit of history. Where did it come from? So 4DIM bodywork isn't some ancient lost art. It's actually a modern modality created by practitioners who noticed that traditional bodywork often wasn't getting to the root of people's pain and stress. They started weaving together different techniques and philosophies. A bit of somatic therapy, which is how our body holds emotions, a touch of energy healing, some myofascial release for those physical layers, and a big dash of intuition and presence. What they found was pure magic. By honouring the complex, layered nature of each person, healing started happening faster and going much deeper. So what's it used for? People come to 4DIM bodywork for all kinds of reasons. Chronic pain that never seems to go away, feeling stuck emotionally, unexplained fatigue or overwhelm, recovering from trauma or major life shifts, a desire to connect or reconnect with their body and spirit, or sometimes they just feel off and want to feel whole again. It's especially helpful for those who've tried everything but still feel like something's missing. That something is often found in the emotional or energetic layers, and 4DIM bodywork knows exactly how to reach them. So what's a session like? Imagine this. You're lying on a cozy treatment table wrapped in soft blankets. The room smells like calming essential oils. There's gentle music playing, and the practitioner, they're totally tuned into you. Not just your muscles, but your whole energetic vibe. There might be touch, always respectful and intentional, some guided breath work, or gentle verbal processing. But no two sessions are exactly the same because no two people are the same. It's not about fixing you, it's about helping your body remember how to release, restore, and return to balance. The magic of integration. One of the coolest things about 4DIM bodywork is how it brings everything together. You don't have to book a separate appointment for your physical aches, emotional baggage, spiritual questions, and energy blockages, because this work holds space for all of it. It's healing that meets you exactly where you are and gently takes you to where you're meant to be. So final thoughts. If you're someone who's done the yoga, the therapy, the energy clearing, but you're still craving something deeper, 4DIM bodywork might just be your new best friend. It's not about quick fixes, it's about reconnecting to the full you, and in a world that constantly pulls us in a million directions, that kind of deep, integrated support is pure gold. So go ahead, give yourself the gift of multidimensional healing. Your body, mind, heart, and soul will thank you.